crypto expands digital identities with trust into the data validity. So we have the digital identity, and we at the timeline being able to mathematically verify data validity. I'm saying validity, not integrity, because we can tell when was the integrity verified and was it ever revoked by the author. We can decentralize that verification based on the user needs. So we always need to look, what does a business really need, rather than having to build a global decentralization if we have a local trust center anywhere. We save a lot of money in operations, because now we're just talking about a simple API or integration rather than building a parallel infrastructure. We're planning to release this as a subscription-based model. And of course, it's zero trust extension, because no real data is being shared with the service. We're only talking fingerprints here. For this, we can enable trusted collaboration, because the owner of the data still maintains control, can evidentially devalidate data after sharing, so there are no version conflicts in front of courts anymore. We can proactively detect signature abuse, and we can also minimize the risk for must-know sharing. As a data recipient, we can build trust, because on the one hand, we can prevent insecurity based on versioning, but we also can protect data input-based decisions in order to being able to justify ourselves in front of courts if we took automated decisions based on data we got delivered by somebody else. And we can scale this process across multiple trust silos, because we don't expect a lot of architectural complexity from the participants. Same is true, of course, also for authorities or trust service providers. And we can add, change, and adjust trust locations as we need. Because even when we look at public blockchains, they may be very decentralized and very secure, but also their features change over time, and we need to keep track of what's happening.